Hi guys, Enda here from TrendSpotter. Up 1,215 today, 2 wins, 1 loss on Roku. Let's dive right in. So, Roku today, the TEFS platform crashed. I think it was down for about 10, 12 minutes anyways, because my first trade was 9.46. So yeah, look, 15 minutes maybe. And it was a shame because there was a beautiful short off this here. Let's get this up here. From yesterday's close. And 103 whole dollar kind of stuff would have been nice, even to hear from the VWAP down. Didn't take it anyways because couldn't, and would have been a beautiful long here, but you know that was fine. So anyways, the first one was a short at 9.46 in here. Now I'll tell you what happened here. It doesn't look like a short, but I kind of got short of the 9.46. This started flashing red, and I saw this big huge red candle, and I thought it was going to go red in the background. And I got short at 102.96 for, so basically 103, 102.96, which was kind of yesterday's close. Got my wish in the end. And went short and got 60 cents out of that, 64 cents actually. And that was fine. And then 9.54, I went long. Now, I thought it was a re-entry. But I was kind of late on it because really here was the entry, this buy at 52. And I was looking around at other stocks, and that was the re-entry because that's where it went red and then green, and this stayed green. But I got in up here, and it was a dumb move. Look, I kind of double topped up here. But anyways, got long at 103.44 up here. And then it just went up a few cents and then came down. I got stopped out at 102.99, which was... what was that? It was a 45-cent loss. So let's have a look here. Well, sorry, I got long. 44. Like the entry, candle-wise, was good, but no, wasn't a good trade. Wasn't a good trade. Nothing about it was good. In too high, in too late, more than anything. Never mind the too high part. It wouldn't have been too high if I won. Do you know what I mean? But stopped out at 102.99, so just there. And I kind of gave that a few seconds, and then there was a bit of a spread on it anyways, and that was fine. So I stopped out of that, took a 45-cent loss on that. And so still good because I was under 50 cents, and I'm taking 60 cents of my new scalp strategy for this week, which I'm trying out. It's working very well. I'm going to show you some stats in a minute. And what's next? Then 10.07 I went short. So 10.07 short here. Yes, went short here as 102.440. 406 basically, 40 in here. Oh yeah, I was aiming for the VWAP. Aiming for the VWAP and got my 60 cents straight down. It was in here I got it actually. And that was it, 101.79, which was up here. There. So, easy enough trading. What I have noticed is that normally I wait for the 1 minute and the 2 minute to align to go for a bigger move. But what I have noticed, and I'm going to try it out all next week, is that the 1 minute on its own for smaller scalps, maybe for 50 cents or 40-cent scalps, might be more successful than waiting for the 1 and the 2 to cross over, which will give you a bigger move. Like when the 1 and the 2 cross over, you're getting a bigger move out of it. Which is great. That's for bigger move people. Like for example here, you can see the 1 at 9.37 going over, and right in here's your entry, 102.32 to 103.86. That's a $1.50 move, and then nothing. Then a crossover here from 102.84 to 103.73. See, a nice big move, and then short here was a perfect short, 103.09 all the way down to 101 or whatever, even lower down to 100. I hope Roku doesn't go too much further. We'll have to pull it and trade a different stock. But what I'm trying to say here, guys, is that the usual technique that I have for trading in the strategy is the 1 and the 2 crossover. When the 1 gets you ready and when the 2 aligns, you go in. But I'm thinking that there might be something in using the 1 on its own for shorter scalps, 50 cent, 40 cent, whatever. I see a lot of people in the chat room taking shorter scalps, and it kind of has me thinking, and this is something I want to show you guys. For the stats I have. So here we are. These are my stats for this week. Okay, and as you can see, my accuracy is up to 76.47%. P&L ratio 3.88 to 1. I've never had a P&L ratio that high. I took 13 winning total trades, 17 this week. 13 winners and 4 losers, so a 23.53% loss. I traded 25,500 shares. My average winning was 800. My average losing was 681. And here's all the individual trades I took. And as you can see there, for a good bit of the so for Monday, I took 1, 2, 3 winners. For Tuesday, I took 1, 2. So that was 5 winners in a row. And then Wednesday, I got caught. I took a win, then a loss, and a win, and then Thursday, and another win. So that was 4 trades on Wednesday. Still up 1,700 on it. And then Thursday, the first one out of the gate, I got caught with that 64 cent. That was a bad one. There was a worse one. No, that was it. That was a false breakout. I got back in on that and got 69 cent out of it. And then Zoom, I took a trade on that. That's actually 10. There was 1,000 shares on Zoom, not 1,500. And then on anywhere, yeah, there's 10, and that should have been 10 as well. My mistake on that. Okay, and Thursday. Here's Thursday. 2 losses on Thursday. This one was a stupid trade, and Thursday was quite tricky yesterday. And then today, Friday, this was my first trade, my second trade, my third trade. So I'm plus 7,184 on the week. The P&L ratio, this is the most important thing here, guys, the accuracy in the P&L ratio. If you take anything away from this, 76.46% with the P&L ratio of 3.63 to 1. If you look at last month, 62% accuracy and 2.29 to 1. So that was last month. And you can see the profits are kind of worse in one sense. Like 50, 52, okay, 91, 48 loss, 32 win, 42 win, 85 fine, okay. But I'll check the average actually. So the average just looks better so far to me. But we'll see how we go. 4 losing trades anyways this week, guys. That's the kind of thing that I want to keep going. If I can lose less than 4 trades a week, and I have some notes here as well on them. Got in too high. That was a gamble. That was a gamble on Zoom. That was dangerous. Huge pullback. Got stopped out of this one. This is the point of a trading journal. Good win. Reset up. So basically, it went. That was the one where I lost, and then it went long again. Good entry. That was just a good entry. Range bound. I lost on that. Nothing there. Got in early on this one, but it turned out in my favor. So I got in early and got in too high. Got in late. Lost on that. That was today. And I used the 1 minute on that one. So it's very handy to keep a trading journal, guys. You need to, and I have it here. All the students have it in our chat room. Accuracy is good this week. I'm glad it's tight. I wonder, can I get 80%? Let's try for 80% next week. We'll push it up. And 3.63 to 1 is professional grade P&L ratio. Trust me on that. 3 to 5% is, or a ratio of 3 or 5 is the big boys. So look, if I can keep it up, that's great. And anybody that wants to join our chat room, reach out to me on Discord, or you can click the link below in the description to get an invite over to our channel, and I'll see you over there, guys. Okay, we'll see you all Monday for some more trading. Talk to you in the next one.